was being chased by the police, and instead of getting scared or worrying about the situation, he tried to mock the police and ended up in this situation.
A biker doing over 100 miles an hour on the freeway, running red lights, almost hitting an SUV, just another LA high-speed chase. But when he put his feet on the seat, that was more than some could stand.
Look at this guy, look at this guy, look at this, look at this. He is totally showing off.
Some thought the biker even took a selfie, but close up, it looked like a rude gesture to pursuing police. At one point, the biker ended up at a dead end. He casually took off his helmet and inserted earbuds. When police tried to block him off, he almost took their door off. After over an hour making his last stand, the biker turned into a gas station and gave up.
Aw, he weak.
Police had guns drawn as he lay spread-eagled. 23-year-old Philip Resendez was arrested. It was a chase that had hearts pumping, though all this lady wanted to pump was gas.
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. When the cops tried to pull him over, this biker gave them a thumbs up, then did this. He was on a house arrest, and he decided to go to Mexico. Watch what happens next.
Well, they said I can't leave the house, so let's go to Mexico.
He did not only left his house, he went through the Mexican border without a problem.
I can't wait to ride. We made it to Mexico! It is a beautiful day out here, taking this open road to the ocean. I'm gonna try to get some fruit for breakfast. I didn't eat it.
Yeah, he was later arrested by the Mexican police and taken into custody.
I really wish I could explain what happened.
He was not sure of why he was being pulled over by the cop, so he panicked and ran into the woods. This e-biker used all of his IQ and pulled this move to escape from the police. He almost paid with his life, avoiding that ticket. This rider was caught by the law after he shot and unalived a police officer.
At some point, this person shot at the deputies, and you will see a huge, big, busted window in one of the vehicles. The bullet actually hit one of the deputies, and the vest came out while they were trying to treat him for the injuries. The suspect gets away from here on a motorcycle, 120, 140 miles per hour. You might see him going in the wrong direction at one point, gets on the 210 freeway, is going west, and turns around, goes east again. And one of the CHP officers on a motorcycle actually tries a pit maneuver on him. he continues. It doesn't seem to affect him until he loses control a little later, and he actually hits one of the vehicles on the freeway. A horrendous crash. This man flew off his bike, ended up, in the median. Now, what is unbelievable.
Even though the crash looked very fatal, the rider was able to survive it and was immediately given first aid. Watch what happens when this rider was mocking the police and his chain broke. That sure was his lucky day. He rode until he was sure that he was not being chased by the police. The rider was getting fuel at the pump as usual when a police officer pulled up and asked him where his other rider friend was. When the rider refused to tell him, the officer gave him a ticket.
Who's your buddy, man?
I have no idea.
Oh, you won't play that game.
I seriously don't.
So you want the ticket for improper display instead, then?
Listen, my bad too?
What's that?
My bad too?
Yeah, both of you.
Even though the rider had all his documents and followed the rules, the cop still gave him a ticket simply because he was angry and misusing his authority.
I cannot believe you gave me that. Like, full disclosure, you can pretty easily see my plate from behind.
This cop was ready to cross any limits to stop the rider from breaking the law. He saw the officer coming towards him just in time and did this.
Oh,
Watch this rider evade police using his 200 IQ.
Bro, cop trying to chase me, nigga.
Like, dumb.
This rider wanted to do the same stunt his hero did, but there was police stopping him. Watch what happens next.
Attempts. Within moments of the train's arrival, police attempted to block Raha. Raha was faced with the decision of going to jail or going for glory.
I had a clean shot at it, so I just went for it, hit it,
He fulfilled his dream and even escaped the cops.
and I was on the other side of the tracks and they couldn't really catch me. I just boned out.